Okay, so lots of composition here. Okay, so there's t. First it's inserted into sine. Then it's squared. Then it's on the exponent of e. Then it's inserted into sine. And the very last thing is it's squared. So for the first step for our chain rule is to differentiate x squared, because that's the last thing being done to t. So we're going to get 2 of whatever we had before to the power 1. So what do we square? We square sine of that. That's what we squared. Okay, so that's what we have right now. 2 times that. And we're going to chain that by the derivative of now sine. Okay. Now the last function being done to t here is sine. Okay. So leave that alone. Differentiate that and you get a cosine of the same input. Okay, so we just took care of this function. Okay, so now we have to still differentiate that part. Okay, just slowly one at a time. Okay, so now this, right, if you differentiate e to the power of x, it stays the same. Now we have to differentiate the function sine square t. Now here, it's a square that's being done after the sine, so we actually have to apply that first. Okay, so square first, so times by 2, right, sine of t. Then you have to now finally, right, the function of sine, so you get cosine of t. So let me just divide this up for you. There's the 2 multiplied by that, multiply by that, multiply by that, multiply by 2 again, right, multiply by that, and multiply by that. Okay. So the only thing that you can actually do to simplify things is combine these 2 into 2 to get 4. Everything else, just leave it as it is.